In this tutorial, we are going to use this metric. The metric A that they gave us is what? 3 by 3 square metric. We are going to use it to learn how to find the what? The minor of elements in a metric, and the what? Metric of what? Cofactor. Okay, metric of cofactor. So we are going to use this to practice this. Okay, for the minor, note that if you want to find the minor of this first element, you can obtain it by what? By deleting the row and the column in which this first metric lies. So when you do, we will have 4, 2, 1, 3 left. Okay, if you want to find the minor of this, the same thing is also applicable. You will delete the row and delete the column. We will now have what? 2, 2, 0, 3 left. So that is the way we will do it to all of them for us to obtain what? For us to obtain the minor. So let's go. We are looking for the minor, which is MA. And this MA now will become, I will open the bracket. So let's start. So we are looking for the minor of this. For the minor of this, I will delete this and this. So we will have only this left. Okay. So I will now multiply the major diagonal first, which is 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 will give us what? 12 minus 1 times 2. And 1 times 2 will give us 2. So 12 minus 2 will give us what? 10. We move to the second element. For the second element, I will delete the row and the what? This column in which this second element lies. So we will have this 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will do 2 times 3. It will give us 6. 0 times 2 will give us what? 0. So I will do 6 minus 0 will give us what? 6. We continue. Now for the third element, I will delete the row and the column. We will have this left, which is 2 times 1 is 2. 0 times 4 will give us what? It will give us a 0. So 2 minus 0 will give us 2. We move to the fourth element. For the fourth element, I will delete the row and the what? The column. When I delete the row and the column, we will have this and this. So 1 times 3 will give us what? 3. 1 times 4 will give us what? 4. So 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 will give us minus 1. Have you seen it now? We move to the fifth one, meaning that I will delete the what? The row and the what? The column. When I do, we will have this. Okay, which is 3 times 3 is 9. 0 times 4 is what? 0. So when I subtract, it will give me what? 9. I think we are making a progress now. We move to the sixth element. I will delete the row and the column. We will have this left. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 times 1 is what? 0. 3 minus 0 will give us what? 3. We move to the seventh element. Okay, seventh element in metric what? In metric A. We cancel the row and what? The column. We will have this left. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. So 2 minus 16 will give us minus 14. We continue. We move to the what? To the eighth element. We cancel the row and what? The column. Okay, we will have this 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is what? 8. 6 minus 8 will give us what? Minus 2. We move to the ninth element. So what I will do now, I will cancel the row and the column. We will have which is 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. So 12 minus 2 will give us what? 10. So for the minor, this is what we have as the what? The minor. Now for the cofactor, there is a code that we normally apply, and the cofactor is obtained from what? From the minor. So the first code that we have here is what? Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is the code that we're going to apply here. So for the cofactor, we have this. The cofactor as, we now open bracket again. Now, 10 times plus 1 will give us 10. 6 times minus 1 will give us minus 6. 2 times plus 1 will give us 2. Minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1. 9 times plus 1 will give us 9. 3 times minus 1 will give us minus 3. Minus 14 times plus 1 will give us minus 14. Minus 2 times minus 1 will give us plus 2. 10 times plus 1 will give us what? 10. So this is the answer to the second question. So the metric A of what? The cofactor is what we have here. Why this one is what? Is the minor. So you can practice it, because they say that practice makes perfect. So practice this. Let's just assume that they gave us this metric what? E. And this metric E now contains 3, minus 6, 4, minus 1, minus 5, 6, 3, 8, and the what? And the 2. Now use this to practice our talking point. Let's just assume now that they ask you to find what? The minor, okay? This is the first question. And the second one is what? Is the cofactor. So attempt it. Thank you for watching my video. Do well to subscribe if you have not. I love you so much. Bye bye.